Hey guys, Disney Collector here, and today I'm gonna show you 5 egg surprises. Here we have a supercharged Sally, 3 Matchbox egg surprises, and 1 supercharged Lightning McQueen. Let's start with the Sticker Fun Eggmobiles. We got some stickers here. Let's open the orange egg. Wow, this is a cool car. And it's a really nice die cast. Now the yellow egg. Another cool car. And the purple egg. Wow, this looks awesome. Now let's check out Sally. This egg surprise has a Cars logo and it comes with Sally. The egg is the same color as Sally. This Sally is a die cast. But too bad she's exactly the same as any other Sally that you can get. Now, Lightning McQueen. And here's the Rusty's McQueen. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more egg surprises right here on Disney Collector.